Story time!
In the heart of the whispering woods, a small creature paused beneath an ancient oak. His eyes widened at the sight of a golden acorn, gleaming like the sun itself. From the brush, an old sage emerged, his gaze heavy. He spoke of loss, his voice trembling. A treasured gift from generations past had vanished. Clutching the acorn, he felt its warmth, yet guilt gnawed at him. He glanced at his friends. Their faces mirrored his own conflict. Desire battled with a sense of duty. "Follow your heart," she chirped, her excitement contagious. Treasures, after all, could keep them entertained. Was the cost worth the thrill? "Why not keep it?" he suggested, his grin wide. The allure of the golden acorn danced like firelight in his eyes, testing the little creature's resolve. Heart pounding, he took a deep breath. "Is this your lost treasure?" The words left his mouth, each syllable a leap into the unknown. As the acorn met the old one's trembling hands, recognition sparked. Memories once dormant began to stir within, a voice from the past, whispering sweetly. Joy erupted as he offered a feast. Nuts, bright as autumn leaves, filled the air with delicious promise, binding them together in shared delight. Side by side, they celebrated. The air brimmed with laughter, stories weaving like branches overhead. A thread of honesty stitched them closer. The treasure lay forgotten, yet its true value had been revealed. In the heart of the woods, trust blossomed, signaling a new dawn. The day drew to a close, but warmth lingered. Under shimmering skies, they found a new understanding, a bond forged in shared integrity. And so, the Whispering Woods remained a haven built on kindness. With every step forward, they carried a lesson, their hearts resonating with goodness.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.